So there are laws in every single country in the world. But what are the laws in mathematical exponent work? Today we're starting that series, Exponent Laws, episode 1. Alright, let's get into it. Like, subscribe, and click that bell button. Let's go. Before we really start working with exponents, we have to know what it consists of and what the parts are called. So let us have a look at the following example of a to the power of 4. In this example, our base is a, and this 4 is called our exponent. So a to the power of 4, what does that mean? Well, a to the power of 4 really is just another way of writing a multiplied by itself a total of 4 times. So now that we have a firm grasp of what exponents are, let us start working with them. Let's do some calculations. Our first law of exponents helps us when we are multiplying powers. Say, for example, you are given the question of a to the power of 2 multiplied by a to the power of 4. Now, our first law of exponents tells us that when you multiply bases, then you add the exponents. So in this case, we have our base a, and then we have the addition of the exponents. So 2 plus 4 would give us an exponent of 6. And that is our final answer. Since we have already looked at the law of multiplying powers, it only seems right that we look at the law of dividing powers. And there, enter law 2. So law 2 would help us extremely if we have the following example. So say we have the question a to the power of 5 divided by a to the power of 2. Now this can be written as a fraction as well, but we'll get to that later. In this case, we have a to the power of 5 divided by a to the power of 2. And our law 2 of exponents tells us that when the bases are the same and you are dividing, then you can subtract the exponents from each other. So this would be a to the power of 5 subtract 2, and that is 3. And there we have law 1 and 2 helping us with multiplying and dividing powers. Now it is your turn. Go apply this. Go practice. And always remember, do your best and pray for the rest.